setting, TV, act, setting, YouTube, plug, camera, music, camera, GarageBand. Landscape. Home button to the right, loading my song 7. Alert, using Bluetooth. You may vertical, OK, button. Rewind, play, record, selected, select, setting, rule, song section, input settings. Record, play, rewind, track, navigate. Songs, inputs, out, pitch, space, channel, monitor, off, button. Monitor, off.
Battle. Battle.
First Sergeant Davies, rank D, 2807, brawls against First Sergeant Colden, the repugnant, rank D, 2786. They match. Davies attacks first twice. Colden is quick saving himself and can leap to the side. Slipping away, he attacks with his sword. This assault has caused 35 damage. First Sergeant Green Angel, the lucky man, rushes to help Hades on his horse. He swings his blade in circles and gallops directly towards Colden. But Colden helps himself by ducking down. He swings back. The swing went right by Hades. He swings back while his opponent is still shaken by his dreadfulness. Cool Dude is panther fast and dodges the strike. Slipping away, he attacks with his sword. Hades moves away. He skirts that attack. Hades has been beaten. Your knight has lost this battle. He acquired 96 experience points. Do you want me to find you another enemy now? I didn't quite catch that. Want him to fight again?
Yes.
The knights walk into the arena. First Sergeant Hades.
First Sergeant Hades.
3347. Now battles. Sergeant My Dog. Rank D. 3347. They advance. My dog quickly attacks first. The strike is on the mark, causing 11 damage. First Sergeant Green Angel, the lucky man, charges in to help Hades on his warhorse. He throws his steel up over his head and gallops right at my dog. But my dog helps himself by ducking down. He evades his foe's attack and swings. Hades just managed to elude the hard-charging attack. He charges while his opponent is still shaken by his awful blunder. This brutal attack inflicts 18 damage. My dog swings his blade. Hades avoids the onrush. He swings back while his opponent is still shocked by his awful blunder. That blow was a nasty critical hit, causing 37 damage. Sweat and mud fly all over. My dog was defeated and holds face first. He sheathes his weapon and swaggers around the arena, then walks out. Hades wins. He gets 50 honor points, 100 experience, and 5 servants from my dog.
Give me the 7, punk.
In the rookie leaderboard D, Hades has ascended up 567 spots and now occupies the 2780th position. Do you want me to find you another enemy now?
Yes.
First Sergeant Hades, rank D, 2783, battles against Senior Sergeant Determinus, the Bone Crusher, from Great Britain.
The Bone Crusher.
Rank D, 2783. They rush. Hades starts this fight with a blazing attack. The strike is on the mark, causing 8 damage. Eternatus replies with a powerful thrust. Hades elegantly evades the attack. He attacks back. This surprise attack causes 9 damage. Eternatus feigns a punch but throws a low kick. A devastating critical blow, inflicting 18 damage. Hades fakes a kick but stabs straight ahead. Eternatus dodges the blow. He swings back while his opponent is still dumbfounded by his awful blunder. A devastating critical blow, inflicting 18 damage. Eternatus was defeated and drops to his knees. He saunters around the arena, then saluting the fans he heads for the exit. Hades wins. He gains 50 honor points, 100 experience, and 5 servants from Eternatus.
Give me the servants, punk. Give me the servant.
Climbing
don't deserve
355
no servant.
places in the rookie rankings D, your knight Hades currently stands at the
You don't deserve no servant.
position. The king was appreciative of this effort and tosses him 6 diamonds.
Good.
Level up. You reached level 44. Hades has just gained a skill point. What skill do you want him to enhance? Strength, defense, speed, luck or health points?
Speed.
Speed. Would you like to fight against another enemy?
Dark Forest.
As you wish. Hades has ridden many miles from the castle. Finding the dark forest, he decides to enter slowly and shoot some orcs. He has his trusty bow, 1,307 silver arrows and 390 health points.
Ziggy. Wellington.
Oh no, I hear the dragon. This beast is flying right at me. I have to run. In total, 563 knights were struck down by the dragon's fire.
Ziggy. Open that manager.
Welcome back to the Night Training Ground Cell Manager. Currently, there are 1,610 managers here training their knights in the
Ziggy.
fight battle.
No. I didn't stop it because I knew I was gonna get killed by the dragon anyway. So I just whatever with it. Ziggy, open that manager.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Ziggy, open that manager.
Welcome back to the Fighting Arena Manager. There are 1,614 other knight managers here, training with their warriors.
Ziggy,
Would you...
battle.
First Sergeant Hades, rank D, 2,428, will duel against Knight Naruto, the Relentless, rank D, 2,411. The knights quickly go into motion. Naruto hefts his sword and gets the first attack. That was a critical hit, causing 345 damage. Hades' health points drop to 155. Seriously injured, Hades hammers back one more time. Naruto elegantly evades the attack. He throws a blow back. This attack was a critical hit. 345 damage points were inflicted. Hades slumps down conquered.
Really?
The battle ended with a defeat for your knight. He acquired 108 experience points. Would you like to fight against another opponent?
Yes.
First Sergeant Hades, rank D, 2831, is set to brawl. Senior Sergeant Decapeta Nintendo, the Gravedigger, from Germany, rank D, 2831. The knights quickly go into motion. Hades, attacking first strikes. This brutal attack inflicts 8 damage. Decapeta Nintendo slams his fists at his foe. Hades reacts faster, sliding away. He slashes back. The attack is a critical blow, inflicting 16 damage. Decapeta Nintendo aims a swing at his rival's chest. Hades is quick, saving himself with a leap to the side. Slipping away, he attacks with his sword. A devastating critical blow, inflicting 20 damage. Decapeta Nintendo slashes with his steel toward the neck. That was a critical hit, causing 99 damage. Hades was defeated and falls to the ground. Your knight has lost this battle. He received 100 experience points. Would you like to fight another knight?
Tavern.
Your knight opens the door to the tavern. Do you want to go to the bar? Or would you like to play a round of cards with Joe?
Bar.
Alright.
Hello, Hades. Hey, buddy, do you have any potions?
Want one of my wonderful beers?
Yes.
Sure thing.
He is starting to feel slightly buzzed. After draining his tankard of dark, frothy beer, he lets out a big belch.
Oh, pardon me.
You want another one, don't you?
No.
Playback song section.
Marcel, I believe I've had enough for
Playback
now.
settings. Button.
What else do you have back
Input
there?
setting. Set out.
The bartender opens a cabinet next to the beer
100%
glasses
space.
and pulls out
100%.
3 different color
67.
bottles.
Adjustable. Hit.
Here are
67.
today's
Space.
potions.
90.
Battle Potion of Strength, Unbending Potion, and Swiftness Potion. Which of the 3 potions do you wish to know something about?
Unbending potion.
Okay. This potion is available in quality levels from 1 to 30. The higher the...
Store.
Welcome to the store, fighter. These are the 3 things I have to offer today. Brand new, a helpful skill. Magic Shield. Level 1. The Magic Shield halves the damage of the next attack. Chance. 15%. This skill is available for 500 diamonds. And then, the bonus. Balanced food. Your knight gets 1 additional energy point per hour. For only 100 diamonds, this bonus is yours. Last, the title. The Lucky Man. For 50 diamonds. Which one do you want to purchase? The skill, the bonus, or the title?
Skill.
Acknowledged. The skill, Magic Shield.
Watch, I can't get it. Seriously?
This skill costs 500 diamonds. Unfortunately, he only has 131 diamonds. He will have to come back when he's earned more diamonds. Sorry, he can't afford that right now. He does not currently have enough diamonds. He can earn diamonds by winning duels or passing adventures.
Daily adventure.
Hades has already finished the daily adventure today. Come back tomorrow for another one. Would you like Hades to battle against a different knight? Or should your knight open his backpack?
Backpack.
No problem. In your backpack are 16 free tickets, 1,284 silver arrows, and 9 mushrooms. Which item would you like to know more about?
Eat the mushroom.
Trying would make me look pretty stupid.
Do you want to open your
Really?
backpack?
Then why do you pick him up? Ziggy.
Sorry, but what did you say?
Ziggy, help.
Sorry, I don't get that. You can also say battle, adventure, tavern, or blacksmith at
Ziggy.
any time.
Blacksmith.
Acknowledged.
Hey Smithy,
Should I fix your sword, armor, or quarters?
Armor.
I can improve your battle armor to level 27. It will cost 1,900 gold pieces. Do you want to upgrade your armor for that price?
No.
As you wish. Do you want to send Hades into battle against an enemy knight? Or shall he visit the shop?
Battle.
First Sergeant Hades, rank D, 3,399.
I can't do much
Sergeant
because I'm killed in the dark first.
rank D.
I don't have enough coins to buy
Strike.
skills or anything in the shop.
Creator avoids his enemies during his
So let's get a battle until I run out of
back
here.
while his opponent is still shaken by his awful blunder. The hit produces 21 damage points. First Sergeant Dream Angel, the lucky man, rushes in to help his ally, Hades. He gallops in on a small war horse, his sword swinging directly towards Creator. And gets hit by the attack. 119 damage points were inflicted. Creator only has 2 health points left before he's beaten. Creator knows he is beaten. He swings with as much vigor as he can muster before the end. Hades avoids that swing. He rushes in with a slice after that miss. Creator is panther fast and avoids the strike. He rushes in with a slice after that miss. Hades just managed to escape the hard charging attack. Creator was defeated and collapses in pain.
Great victories are not won without risk.
Which control space.
Hades wins.
Monitor off. Screen dimmed. Monitor off button. Monitor off. Monitor off.
I really like that name.
Do you want to send Lord Hades into the dark forest?
I'm dead in the dark forest.
Lodge.
Hunting lodge.
Welcome to the hunting lodge. These 3 items are available today. First, a new skill. Focus. Level 1. Increases the chance that your knight will use hunting skills by 5%. Chance. 100%. This skill can be traded for 50 arrow makers.
Nope.
And then, the bonus. Optimized feathering. The better fletching of your arrows provides more precision on target shots. Plus 5 points aiming your arrow. You can trade 15 of your arrow makers for this bonus. And third, a medium quiver with 2,500 silver arrows.
Ziggy. Bonus.
As you wish. The bonus, optimized
What?
feathering.
I can't get it. Nope.
This bonus costs 15 arrow makers. Unfortunately, he
don't have-
currently only has 6. Do you want him to go back to the hunting lodge now, or to the dark forest?
I'm dead in there. Battle.
Sorry, but I didn't get that.
Battle.
First Sergeant Lord Hades, rank D, 2822, brawls against Senior Sergeant Key, rank D, 2804. They attack. He dominates with the opening attack. This excellently timed lunge causes 49 damage points. Lord Hades slams a blow at his enemy. He reacts faster, dodging the blow. He slashes back. That blow was a firm critical hit, causing 99 damage. Sweat and mud fly all over. Lord Hades strikes back with beast-like power. He elegantly evades the attack. He slashes back. This blow was a critical hit, inflicting 99 damage. Lord Hades swings his sword. He makes his rival swing miss. Lord Hades has been crushed. Lord Hades has lost this battle. He acquired 96 experience points. Your tag team partner Dream Angel is offline now. Do you want me to find you another enemy now?
Yes.
First Sergeant Lord Hades, rank D, 3376, is set to brawl. First Sergeant Surge Sneeze a Lot, rank D, 3000. The knights
Sneeze a
quickly
lot.
go into motion. Surge Sneeze a Lot dominates with the opening attack. This brutal attack inflicts 12 damage. Lord Hades raises his sword and swings. Surge Sneeze a Lot dodges the blow. He slashes back. A devastating critical blow, inflicting 24 damage. Lord Hades fakes and swings at his left arm. Surge Sneeze a Lot evaded the attack. He swings back while his opponent is still dumbfounded by his dreadfulness. This assault has caused 12 damage. First Sergeant Dream Angel, the lucky man, charges in to help Lord Hades on his horse. He throws his weapon up over his head and races right at Surge Sneeze a Lot. Surge Sneeze a Lot isn't fast enough and gets hit by the attack. 119 damage points were inflicted. Surge Sneeze a Lot was defeated.
Sneeze a lot.
He saunters around the arena. Then saluting the spectators, he heads for the exit. Lord Hades wins. He gains 50 honor points, 100 experience, and 2 servants from Surge Sneeze a Lot. Moving up 586 places in the rookie standings D, your knight now stands at the 2790th position. His tag team partner Dream Angel has just returned to the game. Would you like to fight against another opponent?
Yes.
First Sergeant Lord Hades, rank D, 2792, is about to battle First Sergeant Eben Einhineza from Germany, rank D, 2804. The knights quickly go into motion. Lord Hades, attacking first thrusts. Eben Einhineza reacts faster, moving aside. He swings back. That blow delivered 29 damage points. Lord Hades slips under his opponent's guard and attacks. Eben Einhineza averts his enemy's blow with his gauntlet. He attacks back while his opponent is still shaken by his dreadfulness. The swing just missed Lord Hades. He rushes in with a slice after that miss. Eben Einhineza slides away. He evades that attack. He swings back while his opponent is still shaken by his dreadful miss. Lord Hades just managed to evade the hard-charging attack. Lord Hades has been thrashed. Unfortunately, your knight Lord Hades lost this battle. He got 1 experience points. Bingo! Level up. You reached level 45. Lord Hades has just gained a skill point. What skill do you want him to enhance? Strength, defense, speed, luck or health points?
Defense.
Defense. Do you want to fight another opponent?
Yes.
The knights walk into the arena. First Sergeant Lord Hades, rank D, 3371, against Corporal Booga, rank D, 3378. They brutally attack. Lord Hades promptly attacks first. That was a critical hit, causing 35 damage. Booga feigns a high strike, but slices at his left shoulder. Lord Hades avoids that swing. He swings back. Booga just managed to escape the hard-charging attack. He uses this opening to strike. He caused 13 damage points with that hit. Lord Hades thrusts his sword at the right leg of his enemy. Booga is fortunate, saving himself with a leap to the side. He evades his foe's attack and swings. Lord Hades also avoids that hit. Booga was defeated and falls to the ground. He saunters around the arena, then saluting the fans he aims for the exit. Lord Hades wins. He gains 48 honor points, 96 experience, and 3 serves from Booga.
Alright, this Ziggy
Climate.
Hunting Lodge.
After searching all day, your knight opens the iron-bound wooden door of the hunting lodge. These 3 items are available today. First, a new skill. Focus. Level 1. Increases the chance that your knight will use hunting skills by 5%. Chance. 100%. This skill can be traded for 50 arrow makers.
5-0.
And then, a bonus. Optimized feathering. The better fletching of your arrows provides more precision on target shots. Plus 5 points aiming your arrow. This bonus is available for 15 arrow makers.
Ziggy.
And
Bonus.
acknowledged. The bonus, optimized feathering. This bonus costs 15 arrow makers. Unfortunately, he currently only has 6. Do you want him to go back to the hunting lodge now, or to the dark forest?
Dark Forest. Dark Forest. So I still got a lot to go to be to get a freaking seal. Ziggy, open that manager.
Welcome back to the game.
Dark Forest. Dark Forest. Ziggy, open that manager.
Welcome back to
Dark Forest. Ziggy, open that manager.
Welcome back to the game. Man.
Dark Forest.
Alright. Lord Hades enters the dark forest with 1,284 silver arrows and 0 health.
And 0 health points. Ziggy, open that manager.
Welcome back to the night training ground, Sir Manager. Currently there are 1,000.
Battle.
Lord Hades does not have enough energy to keep fighting. Wait until the top of the hour. Then he will have regained some energy.
And this is where I would spend time in the dang dark forest.
Lord Hades owns 131 diamonds. With 20, you could instantly recharge his energy by 100 points. Do you want that?
No.
Sure.
Ziggy.
Do you want...
My knight.
Acknowledged. What do you want to know more about? Your combat or your hunting values?
Combat.
Lord Hades does not have enough energy to keep fighting. Wait until the top of...
Combat values.
Alright. Your knight, Lord Hades, level 45, player number 22142291, has the following combat values. He has a strength of 58 and a defense of 138 points. His speed is 78, his luck is 21, and his health is 500 points.
Not in the dark
Critical
forest.
hits. His critical boost increases the strength by 0 points. Game tip. You can get this information at any time by saying, "My combat values." Want to know some more about your combat division?
Yes.
By your command. He belongs to the combat class 5, First Sergeant. As First Sergeant, he has the following advantages. For combat division 1, Scout. Your knight gains more experience points during the daily adventures. For combat division 2, Corporal. Adventures require less energy. For combat division 3, Sergeant. Your speed increases by 5%. For combat division 4, Senior Sergeant. The fortunes are in your favor. Luck increase by 5%. And for the combat division 5, First Sergeant. The blacksmith will give you a 10% discount. Game tip. You can also get the information of your combat division directly at any time by saying, "My combat division." Want to know what special skills your knight has mastered?
Yes. I don't have any.
Unfortunately, he does not have any special skills at the moment. Game tip. Special skills have a direct effect on the battlefield and can make the difference between victory and defeat. He can buy skills in the store for diamonds. The offer changes daily. Do you want to know what combat bonus features your knight has?
Yes. I don't have any.
Unfortunately, he does not have any bonus attributes at the moment. Game tip. There are many different bonus features. Some strengthen your knight, others improve his energy, or help him get gold pieces faster. Bonus features can be bought in the store for diamonds, or he can win them at the fun fair every Tuesday. Would you like to venture to the castle garden? Or shall he stop by the hunting lodge?
Castle Garden.
Acknowledged. From the moment he enters the castle garden, Lord Hades is struck by the magnificent natural beauty of the surroundings. The lush greenery, colorful blooms, and fragrant shrubs all combine to create an unforgettable experience. Lord Hades has entered the castle garden. Lord Hades approaches the wooden board in the castle garden and looks at it closely. Unfortunately, there is nothing posted on it at the moment, only traces of past announcements and events. Nevertheless, the board still exudes a sense of excitement and anticipation for future events that may soon be announced here. Do you want to send Lord Hades into the dark forest? Or should your knight visit the arrow factory?
Arrow Factory. I get screamed at by
All
birds. I'm
right.
good over here.
Hello, Lord Hades. Good to see you today.
It's great to see you, dear lady. I need you to train some air.
Stop.
High Warlord Raz Al Ghul. The Fearless is positioned with a score of 41,857 points, in position 10. With a score of 48,364 points, High Warlord Marcus of Killjoy, the Justice, placed 9th in the rookie ranking. High Warlord Sir Selwyn Kane is positioned with a score of 55,951 points, in position 8. With a score of 65,008 points, High Warlord Salem Saberhagen, the Relentless, is placed 7th in the rookie ranking. High Warlord Matt Anthony is positioned with a score of 81,351 points, in position 6. With a score of 102,419 points, High Warlord King Carlos 5,193, the Fearless, is placed 5th in the rookie ranking. High Warlord Sephiroth, the Invincible, from Germany, is positioned with a score of 276,599 points, in position 4. With a score of 329,884 points, High Warlord Sir Goldfinger, the Conqueror, is placed 3rd in the rookie ranking. High Warlord Grey Worm, the Mighty, from Great Britain, is positioned with a score of 448,085 points, in position 2. In first place, on the rookie ranking list, with a score of 10,78,430 honor points, stands High Warlord John. Do you now want Lord Hades to brawl against a different knight? Or should he stop by the blacksmith?
Battle.
Unfortunately, Lord Hades doesn't have enough energy left to fight again.
Yeah, well, that's it for this game. Ziggy, stop.
Okay, goodbye, Sir Manager. We'll miss you while you're away.
Well, quit letting me get killed. That's it for this game. I got destroyed by the dragon. I got enough diamonds to get things from the store. So, that's it for this game. See y'all later.